In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect your old account in Asphalt 9. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to manage your Asphalt 9 and Asphalt Legends Unite account, so you will be able to recover your progress and make sure that it is securely backed up. So to do this, open Asphalt Legends Unite and then go into the settings. So tap on the icon at the top right corner of the screen. In here, you will see plenty of options, and the default tab is what we're looking for, Game Loft Connect. Now, go over to the Connect option, and you will see all of the connections that have been established with this account. All that you have to do is basically connect your account to your Game Loft account. So go into the Connect option underneath Game Loft. Now you will be redirected into this page where you will be able to manage your Game Loft Club account. So basically, by linking your account to each game, your progress will be saved and transfer over between different compatible games. So you can play on different platforms such as PC and mobile, and it's as simple as signing in with your account. So input your email and password and it is going to be connected. If you still need to create a Game Loft account, just choose the option to sign up. You will only be able to back up all of your progress and make sure that all of your accounts are linked together if you choose the option to use a Game Loft Connect account. And after this whole process is done and you sign into the account, it is going to be saved and you can repeat this with any other game from Game Loft. So the account can be used widely across all the titles that they have available. Just make sure to go into the settings and connect them from here. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect your old account in Asphalt 9. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.